Importing databases and tables with phpMyAdmin. This video assumes you've already logged into phpMyAdmin. Now let's learn how to import databases and tables. First, select the database you want to import. Let's assume the data in our details table is corrupt, and we want to import a recent backup or exported copy. Therefore, let's first delete the existing details table from the database. Now let's import the recently exported copy of our database, which includes the details table. Click the Import tab. Then click Choose File and locate the file we want to import. When ready, click Go. That's it. The database has been successfully imported. We can see here that our details table has been restored. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to import databases and tables with phpMyAdmin.